Hello there, my name is Spoof, and today I will be building my first ever mechanical keyboard. I am using the Lubing GK64XS, which is a 60% PCB. I bought the whole kit along with it that comes with the case and the plate, because I decided that I did not want to buy all of them separately. I will be using Gateron black switches to go with the keyboard. It was packaged pretty nicely in a cardboard box and a glossy Lubing logo. The box comes with the kit and a little manual on top of it. The manual doesn't really have anything important, so I put it aside. I flipped the box upside down to take the kit out of it. It is made out of durable plastic and is quite a bit heavier than I thought it would be. And here it is. I bought the white version because I thought it would fit better with the keycaps. It comes with 4 rubber feet on the bottom and the top. Originally, I was going to unscrew everything and take out the stabilizers, until I realized that they were factory lubed. I tested if the factory lube was any good, and I saw that they were pretty decent, so I decided to use that over lubing them myself, because I'm a little bit too lazy. Here, I have 64 Gateron black switches. I am putting all of them in 3 bowls and all of the springs in a bag. I will be disassembling every single one of the black switches with a flathead screwdriver since the switch opener took way too long to arrive. The method that I used to open up all of the switches was to put the screwdriver under each of the flaps. When I put them under the flaps, I push it up a little to open it, then I hold onto it and turn it around and do the same to the other side. I repeated this process 64 times. Now I will be lubing the bottom housing. I put a bit of lube on each of the rails and spread them evenly. I make the paintbrush go up and down on each of the rails so I can spread it all around. Now with all of the leftover lube, I like to spread it evenly on each of the bumps on the leaf. I have now put a decent amount of lube in the bag with the springs in it. I shake it for around 5 minutes to get all the lube to spread evenly. I am now lubing the stem of the switches. The way that I am lubing it is by putting the lube on every side of the stem because I don't really know what I'm doing. I try to spread it evenly on every part of it, and I think it worked out pretty well. I am now reassembling each switch one by one by clacking them in together. By the way, I put every switch on off camera. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!